adding a new project, a new task, or a new milestone. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to shortly add these activities and keeping the whole structure of the Gantt chart file. So let's start with adding project. You have to tell the spreadsheet in column type that this is a primary level. So you'll enter letter P. That can be a project in a multi-project Gantt chart. That can be a project phase. So let's call it a new project phase. And let's add a few tasks under it. So let's just name it task number 1. And then another one will be task number 2. And then another one will be milestone, that can be the end of a project phase that you want to track. Okay, we just added their names here. Let's add their start date. So I'll enter here August 15 to start. I'll enter the duration of 10 days. Just to have to remember to enter progress as 0 if it hasn't started yet. And the spreadsheet will calculate the end date for you. You see, it's already done, considering working days. I can enter the start date of the next task as it is, or I can even, link both if I want. I'll just enter here the same date the other one ends, and I'll tell this is 15 days duration. Okay. And then the end of that will be on September 15. And then I can tell the milestone that is project completion will be September 15. And when I do this, it will show a small diamond in the Gantt chart to tell this is a milestone. It doesn't matter much how is the duration that I enter. I just need to make sure it's progress 0. Okay. And when I do this, the Gantt chart bars for this project phase will start appearing here according to a color scheme. And I'm still missing to see the overall phase Gantt chart. I have to do this manually, also on the project phase. The phase start date will be the earliest of those dates here. So that will be August 15. If I just enter that manually, the spreadsheet already knows what is the latest of all the other dates. So we don't need to bother about it, okay? But there are a few things I also can explain. Perhaps you want the spreadsheet to calculate the start date and also the overall progression of the phase. You can do this by copying those formulas here that I usually provide with the spreadsheet. In this case, I'll just copy that formula here. And now the spreadsheet is capturing the earliest of those dates if I just change it here. So let's say it's August 14, then it will also update the project phase date. If I add a new task that is supposed to start even earlier than that, then the project phase start date will also update.